Here in Cuba, New Mexico. This is a wildlife water catchment that we built. NRCS funded. Basically, the guy had a tank on sleds and he wanted to make use of it, so I did it was more of a conceptual design, and then I worked with the contractor to get it so that it was it come to real life, and he ended up doing a heck of a job. He used so the roof wasn't there, of course, and the gate wasn't there, fence wasn't around it. It's 2-inch steel pipe. It's a 22 by 22 roof as per the design. That'll catch with a 15-inch rain. It'll fill up that tank. He painted it with an epoxy coating as per our specs. So those that don't know, the epoxy coating, he spent for 2 gallons $350. So it's not cheap. He coated the tank and the fencing around it. And then he has some work to do. I'm doing the final checkout, but on his troughs he's gonna have to come back and put some 1.5-inch posts, because right now he just put T-posts, so he's gonna fix that before we pay him. This is the top of the roof. It's inverted, so 22 by 22 inverted. He still has to paint this, and then he got where the water goes in over there, top of the tank. They cut the top of the tank, put the opening in the roof, and then they put a screen there. That screen, there's 2 handles. They lift it and they pick it up to clean it. That's just our panel. And then as far as the cross members and such, still 2-inch pipe. This metal with holes in it's 10 gauge. And this is looking at it from the other way. Put a gate here, a little ladder to access the screen up top. Look underneath it. He did all stainless steel plumbing from the outlet of the pipe underground, and it comes into the tanks. Galvanized as well. Put one of these type of float tanks. And then they put this grate on top. Keep the cattle from messing with his plumbing. And then a little access door to service it. So once again, you're just gonna have to come back and put 1.5-inch posts around it instead of the T-posts. So they're gonna come back and do that. There's a side view. Did a heck of a job. He's underneath, self-tapping screws. So this is one idea for reusing a steel tank. This tank was already used for water, so it had already been cleaned prior to us installing on it. But if you have a producer that has a used tank that's still usable, they can use it and put it on skids. Get it refurbished, basically, or clean it inside, sandblast it, coat it. We have one more tank that we're going to check out. It's not done today, but they're going to use an old oil-filled box storage tank. They're going to get that cleaned. But if you have any questions, let me know. Once again, this will catch, I believe it was 3,800 gallons. I'd have to redo the math, but 15 inches of rain. So 1.25 feet times 22 by 22 gives you a cubic foot. Then 7.48 gallons per 1 cubic foot. You do the math and figure it out.